This is R.D. Sharma solution, class 12th, chapter 11. Differentiation exercise is 11.5. Before we go ahead, this whole exercise is dependent on logarithmic differentiation it is. What does it mean? So whichever function you have seen, for example, fx, gx. Now, when we combine these two functions, mainly in the power or raise to, then one of the function will not be of the content having x. That is, fx to the power jx. One of the function will not be a x function or having not a x function. It may be a constant. It may be a value like that. Alright. But when both of the functions are x dependent, then we can only have a solution using the logarithmic differentiation. So if we have a function, say fx to the power gx, let us call it that this is y. You'll see all these in example. Just understand this, that we have to take log. So taking a log will solve our problem because log has a special property. And that property is that gx will come in front. So it will be gx log fx. Now these two are two different functions. They may have x, they may not have x. But when especially they have the x relation, then we can do the product rule, apply the product rule and solve the question. So if we have y is equal to fx to the power gx, the dy by dx will be computed how? So the final dy by dx, when you take log, the final result, this is the final result I am saying, I am not proving it. So it will be fx to the power gx, that is the original function will be here, that is y we are calling, y equal to. And then gx by fx, the differentiation will be of fx. This is the first part. Then we have plus log of, this log will be of which one? Will be of fx. Along with this, we will have dy by dx of gx. So this is a result. I don't want you to remember it because when we do the question, you'll see how this final result will come. So the important thing is log. So let me tell you about log just to, recall the things which we already done in the previous classes. So if we have x equals to log y, the base is e. This entirely means that e to the power x is y. If you understand this thing, all question will be, or log will be very easy. So a to the power b, you can write it as a to the power log base ab. A is base and b is log b. That is, b will come in front. So we have b log a. They are all same. So one thing is very clear, e and log cancels out. That is how a to the power b will come. Okay. So log a to the power b will be e to the power b log a. The first question is x to the power 1 by x. So one is fx, one is gx. What is fx here? It is x. What is gx here? It is 1 by x. So both are x dependent. They have x here. So we will do one by one step and these steps will make a formation for the other question. So y is actually x to the power 1 by x. The first step is to take log y. That is, you take log on both the sides. Base is already e, always e in this case. So log x to the power 1 by x. And we know that the log with certain thing with the power comes in front. As I already indicated, if we have log x to the power y, y comes in front. So it will be y log x. If you have log a raise b, b will come in front. b log a, base will be e. So 1 by x will come in front. It will be 1 by x. And this is going to be log x. And here we have log y. Now both sides, the second important step is to take the differentiation on both the sides. d by dx on both the sides. So d by dx of log y will be 1 by y, log y 1 by y, and then since it is y, dy by dx. This y, what we have taken, will be used, okay? Now d by dx of 1 by x log x, so there are two different functions. We'll apply the product rule. So 1 by x it is, then d by dx of log x we will do. Then we will have a plus sign or addition sign. Log x differentiation of d by dx of 1 by x. So 1 by x, log x is 1 by x, differentiation is 1 by x plus log x. Differentiation 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. How does it come? X can be taken in the numerator with a negative sign, and x to the power n formula can be applied, and x to the power n minus 1. So minus 1 to the power x to the power minus 1 minus 2 it will be. So when we take it in the denominator, it will be minus 1 by x square. Final will be 1 by x square minus, this minus I have taken, this one minus. Then we have log x divided by x square. X square you can take common, x square, 1 minus log x it will be. So this is the right hand complete. But still we have a 1 by y with dy by dx. So we have to take this 1 by y which is in the denominator in the left hand side. This goes to the numerator of the right hand side. What was initially y? X to the power 1 by x. So this is your y. And the final solution is this multiplied by 1 minus log x by x square. Okay. So this is the way you are going to solve the other questions as well. One by one. These are the steps. I hope you got a fair idea about the steps. The basic is clear now. So this is a very big exercise. There are more than 45 questions. X to the power sine x. X to the power sine x means we have two functions which are totally dependent on x. So we'll take y as x to the power sine x. Now take log on both the sides. It will be log y. This sine x will come in front, so it will be sine x log x. What is the next step? We take the differentiation of both the sides, d by dx and d by dx. So whatever I am saying, you have to write it. So this is how you are going to go about it. I am just trying to help you with logic, how it should be done, or it is done. But the writing you have to do. Log y is 1 by y divided by dx. d by dx of sine x log x will be, we'll take sine x here. Log x differentiation is 1 by x. Then log x outside, sine x differentiation will be cos x. Now you can leave it here because this is already being solved, or you can also do LCM like sine x and plus x into log x cos x divided by x. So it will combine these two different terms into one term. That is the only thing. Both the things are same, but here we don't have dy by dx. Along with this we have a 1 by y also. So 1 by y will go in the numerator, and y is nothing but log x to the power sine x. Y is nothing but log x to the power sine x. This is log x to the power sine x. No, it is y is x to the power sine x. Oh, just there is a mistake I committed. I am correcting myself. It is x to the power sine x. This is your final answer. Clear? So now this taking log, taking differentiation, bringing y on the right hand side, these are the three steps you have to follow in all other questions. 1 plus cos x to the power x. So y is equal to 1 plus cos x to the power x. Those who want to go ahead, they can just have a reference here. I have already given the answer. So y equals 1 plus cos x to the power x. Take the log on both the sides. Log y will be equal to, when you take log, this x will come in front. So this is going to be x log 1 plus cos x. Take the differentiation, do the differentiation, differentiate both sides. So we have log y as 1 by y dy by dx. Here we have two things, x and log 1 plus cos x. We'll use the product rule in order to differentiate them. X will take, then the differentiation of log, whatever content with log is there, it will come in the denominator. So 1 plus cos x it will be. Now differentiation of 1 plus cos x will be, 1 will be 0, cos x is minus sin x. So just write minus sin x here. Now minus I am bringing here, sin x I am putting it here. Then plus. Now we already differentiated log, so log will come in front now. So we'll not be differentiating it because we are using the product rule. D by dx of x is going to be 1. I'm not writing it. It's going to be 1. Final is this one only. This is your final result. See, a minus b, if it is minus b plus a, it is, which one is better? A minus b. So we always try to keep like that. So log 1 plus cos x, I am swapping with this one. So just changing the position. Minus x sin x divided by 1 plus cos x. And we have a y in the denominator. We have to bring this y in the numerator. And what was y? The initial one. 1 plus cos x to the power x. So we have 1 plus cos x to the power x. This is your final answer. And this is dy by dx. And this is how you're going to go about it, write about it, and show you the examiner. These are the steps I have applied. Next is x to the power cos inverse x. So this is a reference for those who want to do it by themselves. Y is equal to x to the power cos inverse x. Take the log on both the sides, logarithmic. So it will be log y is equal to cos inverse x will come in front. So cos inverse x and log x it will be. Now let us differentiate both the sides, d by dx of both the sides. Log y is 1 by y dy by dx. Now we'll use the cos inverse x first because we are differentiating by product rule. So cos inverse x, log x differentiation is 1 by x, and it is done. Now log x will come in front. We have already done that. Cos inverse x is negative 1 by under root 1 minus x square. That is a standard result. Negative 1 by under root 1 minus x square is the final cos inverse x differentiation. So dy by dx, y will go in the right hand side. Y was already x cos inverse x. So let me just write it as cos x to the power cos inverse x, and whatever we got inside will be kept like that. Cos inverse x divided by x minus log x divided by under root 1 minus x square. This is your dy by dx. This is your solution. Log x to the power x. This we have to differentiate. So let me just go through it quickly. Y is equal to log x to the power x. Let us take the log on both the sides. When we take log on both the sides, this x will come in front. So log y is equal to x log of log x. We have x of log x. So there are two terms here. X, separate term, and the other one is the other term. Then we have to differentiate. Differentiation of left side is quite default now. 1 by y dy by dx, that is always we are using. And this we are using a product rule differentiating. So x will come in front. Log of log x is what? 1 by log x. Log of something is 1 by that thing. And log x also we have to do, so it will be 1 by x. Then we have log x we have already done, so we'll just keep it like that. And differentiation of d by dx of x is 1 only. So I'm not writing it, it is 1. Then we can cancel these two. We'll only get 1 by log x, and here we have the other term as log of log x. And y we have to bring on the right hand side to finally write the answer. So dy by dx. Y was log x to the power x. Next one is log x to the power cos x. So this is how you have to do it. You have to write everything. Whatever I am saying, you need to put it in the ink. So y is equal to log x to the power cos x it is. So dy by dx is equal to cos x, log, first step is log. So log will take log y is equal to cos x in front, then log of log x. Log of log x we have already done just now. So then the next step will be differentiation of both the sides. So d by dx of log y is 1 by y dy by dx. And the right hand side d by dx, we have two terms, so we'll apply the product rule. So we'll take the cos x outside. Differentiation of log x will be This is first term, this is second term. So we have taken already this outside. Differentiation of log x will be 1 by log x. And then log x differentiation also. So log x differentiation is 1 by x. Okay. Then we put a add sign because we are doing the product rule. Log x will come in front. Cos x differentiation is minus sin x. So I'll change it here only. Minus sin x. So this is the final one. No change here. And this is dy by dx. 1 by y, dy by dx it will be. Y will go here. So let me write final. Y is log x to the power cos x. Log x to the power cos x. Then we have this as cos x divided by x log x minus sin x you can bring in front. Why it is? Because it is seen like log x sin x. Sin x is included in the log. No. Sin x is different. And then we have log of log x. So this is your final answer. This we are going to take in the next discussion. Till then, thank you so much and take care of yourself.